Best washing machines under $500. Number 3. Pyle Mini Portable Washing Machine. The portable washer-dryer features a convenient top-loading system. Simply insert detergent and water into the portable washer-dryer combo. A power cord and drain hose are included. The portable clothes washer has a high-powered 250-watt motor and a capacity of 7.7 pounds. Watch your clothes get clean with a translucent tub container window. Pros: top-loading washing machine and spin dryer in one. Features a rotary control wash timer and a see-through top. Compact and portable. Machine is both energy and water efficient. Washer capacity is 7.7 pounds, while the spinner can hold 3.3 pounds. Cons: small capacity. Both the washer and spinner hold less than other options. Bottom line: while it has a small capacity, this machine is efficient and simple to use. Number 2. Super Deal Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. Portable washing machine with spin dryer, ideal for limited spaces. If your room is not so spacious and you would like to have a washing machine, there is no problem on that. This compact twin tub washing machine is perfect for those with a need to multitask, save space and may want to save themselves a trip to the expensive laundromat. Pros: twin tubs let you wash and spin loads at the same time. Lightweight and easy to move. No assembly required. Washer can hold up to 8 pounds, while the spinner can hold 5 pounds. Affordable and energy efficient. Has both washer and spinner timers. Cons: instructions are very minimal. Both the drainage and intake hoses are pretty short. Bottom line: a lightweight and affordable unit with a twin tub design for simultaneous washing and spinning of loads. Number 1. Black+Decker Portable Laundry Washing Machine. Popular among urban city dwellers who are short on space, this automatic compact washer cleaner is perfect for apartments, as you can set up this machine and connect it to your kitchen sink. Stores neatly and can be tucked away into a corner. You can easily take this washer with you on a camping trip or RV getaway. Pros: features an LED status display and a transparent top. 5-cycle selector, with a choice of 3 water levels. Holds up to 6.6 pounds of laundry. Auto shut off if the lid opens, and automatic load balancing. Very quiet. Spin cycle is very effective. Cons: can only use cold water. Capacity is less than other options. Reports of some of these breaking within a few months. Bottom line: despite its smaller capacity, this machine hosts a wide variety of features and settings. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.